What is going on in the Loop fans? Here we are at Fun Spot America, checking out their new air raid. Now y'all know, spinny rides and me don't really get along, but I'm gonna bite the bullet here, ride it, test it. Probably gonna vomit all on camera to see how it goes. And I'll let you guys know what I think. It's new here at Fun Spot America, just opened up the other day. So this is brand new stuff that not a whole lot of people have seen. We saw this on the IAPA trade floor. If you go back and check out some of our videos before, you'll see the legend and Clint riding it at IAPA. And now I'm gonna ride it here. So here we go. I don't really like spinning.
You're screwed.
So we'll see how this goes.
Sounds good.
Adesso piccolo? Arrivo alla costa quasi nord. C'è qualcosa.
How you feeling?
You know, I gotta admit, I thought it was gonna spin more. When it flipped to go to the other direction, that caught me off guard. I was like, oh, that's gonna be a pretty short ride cycle, and then you start going in reverse. But honestly, I'm feeling fine. It's not like paratrooper sickness at all. Like, I liked that better, so I'm not really sure why the last time I rode it got me nauseous. Maybe a different programming or not like that, but good ride for Fun Spot. I totally approve. I really like the lights. If you check them out, the LED light package of the blinking and solids and strobing lights on there. I think that looks really cool. So all in all, a great addition to Fun Spot. Make sure you guys check us out on our Facebook page, facebook.com/InTheLoopPodcast. InTheLoopPodcast.com, that's our website. You can also find me on Twitter at Drew The Intern. That's at Drew The Intern. Clint, Josh, and the legend are on there as well. I follow them, so you can find them through that. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the Midway.